so today's project is to finally tackle the adding an overflow reservoir tank to the generator reservoir tank on the bus here. The old school style was basically a tube came out of the radiator cap, and it was basically leaking coolant. And I've had it actually leak enough where, it finally just didn't have enough coolant. It shut down due to, starting to overheat. So we'll try this. I suspect others have probably run into this as well. So let me show you what I'm doing here. All right, so this is the old reservoir, and I did put a new cap on it. But this is where an old tube just went down and to the bottom of the the pan down there, and it was just dripping out. So like in a new automotive, I mean, they have an overflow tank. This one is sort of a race style polished aluminum reservoir tank. So I'm going to mount it right there. The radiator cap will basically be level. Kind of the main thing was where you mount it. You want to make sure you got the clearance when you pull the generator tray in. It can clear all that in there. And on the tubes, this one I'll join up with the original tube coming out of the radiator reservoir. And then this tube I'll leave long and snake down in the bottom of the tray. So if it does actually fill up too much, it can still come out of there and drip out a little bit. But hopefully with the size of this, I really don't lose too much coolant like I did in the past. The hard part was just kind of getting these holes drilled down here because of the clearance. But I basically just mounted those few bolts. I did have to invest in one of these right angle drills today. I always wanted one, so I went ahead and got it, but I kind of needed that to get down in here, and then I had to cut that drill bit to just a nub to kind of get in there. Anyway, it all worked. And so I'm gonna finish hooking this up, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, got it all hooked up. Got some that's where I joined it up down there. Got the hose that goes out. And I just snaked it around. It still comes out kind of where it used to. But that's it. So we'll give it a quick test. All right, might as well give the demo of my generator setup here. Start it up here.